In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a footer in Klaviyo. A good email footer is important because it keeps your messages compliant and professional. It is also where subscribers expect to find key details like your business information and a clear unsubscribe option. We will build this footer directly inside a Klaviyo email template, so you can reuse it across campaigns and flows. First, go to the Content area in Klaviyo, then open Templates. This is where your saved email designs live. From here, choose the template you want to update. You can either select an existing template you already use, or open it in edit mode so you can make changes to the layout. Once you are inside the email editor, look to the left sidebar and click Add Blocks. This panel contains the building pieces you can drag into your email. To create a clean footer area, drag a section block and place it at the very bottom of the email. Placing it at the bottom helps keep the footer consistent and separate from your main message content. If your template already has a bottom section, you can still use this approach by adding a new section beneath everything else. Next, still in Add Blocks, drag a text block into that new section. This text block will hold your footer details. Click into the text area and type your company name and address. Keep it simple and easy to read. If you want it to feel like a true footer, you can use a smaller font size and a muted color, but make sure it stays legible. Now you will add the unsubscribe link. In the text editor toolbar, click Personalization, then select Unsubscribe Link. This inserts the proper dynamic unsubscribe link for each recipient, which is essential for compliance and deliverability. Place it where it is easy to find, typically after your address, and keep the wording clear. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your changes, so the footer stays with the template for future use. That covers everything you need to know.